Hey, I'm going to show you one of the Lincoln Town Car later models. Mine's a 2007 model. You get the same problem with 2006 and those years of cars. The problem with the door handle is you find your door handle gets stuck in the open position like this, right? And it doesn't go back. This one goes back. Now the problem you find is this piece gets broken, right? And there's a screw that goes through here and it snaps off. Right? So I looked on the internet and most people will tell you replace the whole panel. It costs, you take it to the shop, it costs $1,000. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it a bit cheaper. It's a bit of work. So I'm just going to open this Lincoln here. So the car door, we just have a handle here. Just take off this whole panel. You can see the handle in here. You can see how that's a bit loose, how it's coming out. This has a similar problem. You're going to take out the screw here and the one underneath here. Then you have 3 more screws to take the panel off. There's one here, one here, and one over here. You stick your finger in, you'll see a kind of hole in there. Alright. Just behind the door handle, there's another screw that you have to take out. This one is non-standard. You need a special screwdriver to take that out. You can kind of tell what shape it is. You can see, I'll zoom in out. That's just behind where the door handle is. You need to take that screw out as well. If the door handle is broken, that screw might not be in there very well anyway. Just take it out. Off. We need to take this panel out, and you just need a flat screwdriver. Put it in under here. It unclips on both sides, this side and this side. It'll come off. Right. Try not to break it. Underneath, once you've taken this off, there's some cables underneath. They should just pull out. Once you pull those cables out, then you can take the whole door panel off. Okay? Stop. Door panel off, it's going to look like this. And you have, there's going to be some plastic caps here, here, here and here. They should come off easily with a flat panel screwdriver. Just put your little screwdriver in there and give it, press it in a bit and the caps will come off. Okay, this one already has the caps off because I did it already, and then once you've done that, you got a tricky bit. You got some clips under here that you can't get to, so you have to brute force this handle off. So the way to do that is turn this over, okay, and you need a good hammer. Okay, this is a heavy one. I have my flat panel screwdriver. You stick it in here, and you're going to bang on here pretty hard, along here, go along slowly, banging, right. Eventually, this is going to come loose, right. When it comes loose, this piece should just slide out from the top. So you see, this is the piece I took out. Okay, this bit goes up underneath here. Right. Okay, that's the bit that's hard to get to. So you're going to pull it out from the front. It should come out after you've brute forced. You got to break these clips that are here with the hammer, all right, and the screwdriver from the front here, just along this line. Okay. once you have this out, that's the difficult bit, taking this out. You can put your new one in, so I already put this one in. It just slides back in through the front. It's difficult to get it back into these holes. You've got to push it pretty hard up there to get these to line up, and then you can push it in. Okay, so now I got my new door handle in. Alright, good deal, looks nice. This part I got from carparts.com. You can also get it from A1 Auto. It comes with these 4 clips to put it back on. Okay, I'm going to try and put these on. Never done this before, so wish me luck. Actually, never done this whole job before. Alright, that's getting in there. Put that one on. Try and push it right down there. Gets a good grip. And on the other side. Last one. Push it all the way down, and then when you use your door handle, you're going to have a good grip on it. Okay. Let's go try and use my screwdriver and hammer just to knock it in a bit more. That's got it, I think. Okay. That's down pretty good now. That one pretty good. So now. Right, got my door handles fixed in, so you can see, look, looks pretty solid. Good deal. Alright, so now we're going to have to put this, we're just going to put this back on to our door. Put the door panel back on. Alright. Okay, when you're taking your door off, you have to take this piece out, right? So it's the bit that controls your seats and stuff. So that comes out just with a flat screwdriver, so you just push against these edges, right, until it comes out. Also, when you're taking your door off, you've got one clip here you use, you unclip it, right? Easy peasy. I'm going to put my door back on now, so I'm just going to clip that back in. These are the 4 connectors for this. Okay. This has to go back in here next to the handle. Okay. Just gotta somehow push that in there. Alright. Let's see how that looks on the other side. Looks good, yeah. Nice. Alright. So we've got all that we've got everything connected up. These 4 together, they have to go back through this hole here. I'm going to put the door back on. Just make sure you can pull those back up through there. Alright, we're putting the door back on. Try and get this piece through here. Right in there. It's tricky. We get everything lined up good. You can kind of hear it lining up with the clips. They're just pushing it into the clips now. Give it a bit of a bang. Don't bang it too hard, you don't want to break the clips, but one of my clips is broken already, but it still holds pretty good. Let's make sure I can pull these up through here. So you can see that's. Let me just push this down so you can see. Yeah, it works. Magic, and it's not pulling. It's not coming out from here. It's not getting stuck anymore. Yeah. I got my. This piece isn't breaking anymore. I got to put a new screw in there later. Alright, so you just got to screw these screws back in at the bottom of the door. Find the holes at the bottom again. You just start a screwdriver, just screw them in quick. Right, one. You can screw it in tight, but you don't have to go too crazy with it. Two. Third one. So this is just the same procedure you did when you took your car door off. Okay, now we're going to put the handle back on the door. Screw that one in. Okay, you want these on tight, but not so tight that you're going to break the plastic underneath, so if it's not tight enough they tend to get loose. It's about tight enough. This one, let's tighten up a bit more. Okay, that's good. I'm going to put the clips back on. Gotta be careful with these clips, they're a bit sharp, you can put your fingers on them if you're not careful. And then you're going to put this back on, so all these pieces, they all fit in you know, in one slot, so if you go and get it right, like that one goes in there, but if you try and put it in the wrong slot it just won't fit in, so you know, you don't have to worry too much, so that doesn't go in there, but it goes in that one. This one goes in there, and then this just clips back in. You see the clips there. This clip here, and just push it in. Alright, same way it came out. Okay, so now you have your door, it's done. Got your door handle. Okay, it's not getting stuck anymore. Perfect job. So this is a screw that goes behind the handle here. You can see how it's like a special like star in there. Now I have a bunch of different attachments to my screwdriver, this kind of a screwdriver. I find the one that fits in there good, so this one seems to do the job okay. So now I'm going to try put that in there. So I got to take these off because they're getting in the way. Well, again, you want to put this in tight. You don't want to put it too tight because that plastic at the back is weak. That's why it broke in the first place, right? So don't screw it so tight you're going to break it, but just put it like until it doesn't really give anymore, don't go mad with it. Right, so you can see it in there. There's actually more, now you've got that in there, the door's more solid, that's good. Alright, so thank you for your time watching my video. I hope you find it useful. I decided to make the video because I couldn't find any other videos on YouTube for this model of town car that show you how to change this door handle. So I thought I'd make one myself. Thanks.